Good afternoon, traders. This is Brian McPhearson at Alignment Futures with today's recap. Today we used, like in the room, we used the Fibonacci Zone to determine the direction of price action today. And as you can see, price action early this morning in the overnight on the Euro fell through our zone, which made it a sell zone with a pullback and hold here and a continuation down into the morning. We actually had a market reversal come back up through the zone and started closing above our zone here, which now made this a buy zone, and she never returned for the rest of the day. So Euro, working with the fib zones, got a closing above it. No retest. She went straight away from the zone on 6E. Your system should be as robust that it can overlap on any system to help you determine which direction you should be trading. Here we had a breakdown of the zone, which classified the zone as a sell zone. We had a pullback to the zone. The zone held. Okay. More confirmation, the moving average. We have a beautiful angle down on the moving average. And we also have momentum shifting down in our favor for a short on CL this morning. Then she went up, okay, returning back because price action likes to travel where she's been. When she broke the resistance of our moving average, she came back with a double bar pullback retest, okay, which is now a floor or support area back to the zone with the breaking through of the zone for a return of price action on crude oil this morning. Okay, everything that we do, it has to be a reasoning or a why. Okay, we had a nice angle up on our moving average. Look down here, the momentum is going northbound or long. Okay, the moving average is now acting as our safety net. Price action comes up, retests, and it breaks through the zone for crude oil trade this morning. Then we go to our gold, same thing. We had a sideways channel here, okay? She starts to build momentum. Look at the beauty of the moving average. She starts to angle up. We get momentum to the long side, okay? We had a break, comes back, retests to see if it's now a floor, because it was previously a ceiling or a support area, and she never came back for gold this morning. These are the things we have. Very simple strategies in the room. We have 3 or 4 strategies that we use based on momentum of price action and the information from the left of the screen. And when we put in our zones usually help dictate which side of the trade that we should be trading on, either southbound, okay, or northbound based on the Fibonacci zone. Here we had a clear indication, okay, that we are looking for shorts. That was the NQ. On the Russell, same thing. We put the zone in, right? So I like to trade after 10 o'clock, after all the noise has subsided, and the market starts to correct itself. We had it closing above the zone, retest, nice bounce for a long off of the mini Russell today. And last but not least, the YM. Okay, we had a potential long here, She came back, retest the zone, okay, short-lived long. Then on the return, she broke through the zone, now classifying this zone as a sell zone. Had a little pullback here, and she never returned. So those are your morning recaps for Friday, May the 2nd. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and look forward to trading on Monday. Okay, have a good day.